welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So, as you can see from the title down below, I have our December slash January confetti collection. So, for those of you that are not aware, Confetti Collection is a bi-monthly stationery subscription. It's so much fun. Like, everything is always so cute and the theme is always adorable and it's just so much fun to open. And it's only $19.99, y'all. Only $19.99. What? And like I said, it is a bi-monthly, so it's every other month. You cannot beat it. And it is so much fun, like I said, to open. So I will put a link down below if you'd like to sign up for Confetti Collection or check out their information. So first, again, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. I hope you all, again, are having a wonderful, wonderful day. And let's get in here and see what we've got. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join us here on our YouTube channel. And what? There is no tape. There's no tape in my box. Okay. Well, we'll just go with the flow. That's what we do here. We just go with the flow. All right, so when you open it, this is what you see. So you peel back the bubble wrap and there's this pretty pink tissue paper wrapping up all of our goodies. So we'll take this out and then we have lots of squigglies. All right, let's see what we got. It looks to me, because that's not their normal box. Normally it's white with a little bit of black writing and designs. Last month or last box, I know they did 2 different versions, so it was kind of a surprise as to what you received, and I'm wondering if they did it again. So let's see. So we peel it back. And there's a little card. Surprise! Which box did you get? Something juicy or wish upon a star. In your box, you'll find a little bit of everything. We've included something for your desk, something for your feet, something for your thoughts, and more. Need a last minute gift? Use the gift bag and the shred and share something with your friend. Aww. So apparently we could have gotten something juicy or wish upon a star. And I can already tell you that I'm pretty sure I got the juicy because it's all here in paper or plastic. It looks like watermelons. All right. I don't know why I whispered that. All right. So let's just get in here and see what we got. All right, so here, oh, this is so cute. So here is the little gift bag they were talking about. That is adorable. It says celebrate. That is so cute. I love that. All right, and then, oh, this is, see, this is what I'm talking about. This box is always just so cute. So this is like blank inside, which is the lines. And it does have a little, if I can get it out. Where are you at? Oh, this, okay, so this to me is even cuter because it's not just one piece of ribbon, it is 3. We have red, pink, and yellow. That's so cute. We'll put that back in there. That's adorable. Lets you know that as an adult, you can have cute things. All right, and then here we have, it says pouch with tassel. So it's just like a little pencil pouch or something. There's cardboard in there to kind of hold its shape. So, I mean, this literally you could use for anything, but definitely, I mean, I see pens or pencils with this. So, there is that guy. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay. Y'all, how stinking adorable. So look, it looks like little ice cream cones, like little fluffies. They're push pins. What? That is so cute. So there's like a light pink, red, dark pink. So cute, but useful, right? Love it. This box is, to me, is just always a lot of fun. Gosh, and they packed it this month. All right, and then we have, oh, these are actually very useful. We have 2 cord keepers. So those are really useful in keeping everything together and not having, you know, 5 or 6 cords kind of hanging out wherever they feel like. You just kind of group them together and you're good to go, and you got 2. That is so cute. Oh, so it's just like a little enamel pin. It says humor to bring you laughter. I have a lanyard that I got in one of my many other subscription boxes. And anytime I get a pin like this in a box, I actually put it on that lanyard and I have it hanging. So I can kind of look back and think about, oh, I remember that box and that's where I got this pin or whatever. So this will be going on my lanyard. Okay, now this is one thing from them that I love. Their pins. Y'all, they always have the cutest pins. I mean, like, and I'm a pin junkie, I'm not gonna lie. I love a cute pin. And they do always have the cutest pins, and this does not disappoint. This is adorable. So it is a yellow pin. Go bananas, because there's little bananas hanging from it. Well, there we go. Isn't that cute? I love it. All right, and then we have, oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is a memo pad. I love these to like put on a desk, and then you can flip it up, jot down what you need to, and if you don't want anybody to see it, you close it. But I think that is really cute, the pink with the lemons. But then when you open it, I love the paper. That is so cute. So, so cute. All right, and it looks like we have one more item. Oh, one in a melon. And these are, yo, they're watermelon socks. Aren't they so cute? These are perfect to keep our feet toasty this time of year. They are so cute. We have watermelon socks, and they're soft. They're really soft. Oh, I'm excited. I can't wait to wear these. So that was everything in this confetti collection for December 2019, December/January, because like I said, it is a bi-monthly subscription. So we got some super cute, adorable watermelon socks. We have the cute lemon memo pad here. The Go Bananas pin. This just to make you laugh little enamel pin. The 2 cord keepers, which I really am actually excited about because they're useful and keep things tidy. These super cute push pins. We have the little pencil pin pouch. This little notebook that we could jot things. I'm trying to, it's not leather, but it feels, well, it says leatherette. Maybe it is. Little mini notebook, and this cute little gift bag in case you want to gift one of these items. So I think that is so cute. So this definitely was the juicy fruit box, since they did do the mix it up and kind of give you a surprise. but you're not gonna know which box you're gonna get. Let me know if you get the subscription, if you got the same box. Did you get the Wish Upon a Star box? If so, what was in it? Let me know. I want to know all about it. I'm so curious as to what the other one has. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a wonderful day. I will see you on the next one. Bye.